Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Cassandra Rogers, and today I'm going to be playing a game that I have never really played before. So let's get to the thing. So let's see what games I haven't played before. Popular games. Oh, these games look These games look fun, but I just want to play it. Ooh, Blocks Hunt. I love this game. I'm gonna put this game. Sorry guys, I'm just crazy about this game. Favorite. I love this game. This is the best game ever. I love Blocks Hunt, guys. But I'm not gonna play this game. I want to play a different game because I actually be playing that game a lot. So yeah, let's see what else games we have. Let's see, I'm gonna go home. Let's play Flood Escape, guys. I think Flood Escape is a great game. This is like my second time playing it. The first time I didn't know what to do because I was feeling bored. Because I didn't really know what to do, but this time I really do know how to play it. So let's get started, guys. And guys, please comment down below what you think my next video should be. I do think I should do yeah, I don't know. Like, what do you think I should do? Guys, literally, because I have no idea what to do, like, on Roblox. Like, I could play different games. I don't just have to play Roblox, but Roblox is my main sequence. That's all I play, basically. And yeah, we're gonna, guys, there's three things. Like, there's easy, medium, there's easy. Ooh, the game has ended. Let's go to this one because there's the intermission is there. Actually, no, I don't want to go to that hard one. I'm going to this one if this girl's going. This guy's coming. Oh my god, we're gonna die. So guess what you gotta do? You have to try the
Go on something. Escape. Oops, you're dead.
I'm not dead. Guys, you have to get on something that's high so you won't die. Oh, I thought I died.
Okay.
This game is not that bad. I'm dead, guys. I'm stupid. I could have just stayed on there, but guys, I had to fall. So guys, this game is super fun. Guys, let's play again. Let's play again, guys. So this time, we're gonna try medium. I'm gonna try each round. The game has ended. Let's go on this one because this one, like, intermission. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try the easy one first. I'm gonna be telling me. Okay, if you have Roblox, please try this game. It's really fun to me. It might not be fun to you. The first time I played this game, I literally thought you had to try to go up there or do something, but I was so wrong. I did not know how to play this game, and then I made a video and I just literally flipped. You have to go down.
Oh shoot.
I have to escape the faculty. I'm stupid. Are you trying to make me die, boy? A lot of people die in this thing. I don't want to die. I want to stay alive. Guys, I think I'm going to win. This is a high percent chance I'm going to win. Yeah, I lost. I'm not going to win. I lost. I'm dead, guys. Again. I died again. Why did I have to die? Oh my god.
No,
Okay,
don't
guys.
go in there.
Okay, guys. I'm playing not since oops. What am I doing? I'm stupid. Okay, now that I played the medium round, I'm gonna play the easy round again. I'm gonna actually play the easy round, but since that's taking a long round, we're gonna do the round. I'm gonna do this one. That's so unfair. That's so unfair. I don't even get to play. You know, this is 5. Easy is too. I feel like easy is too easy because easy has people hasn't been a lot of people has been escaping. I think. I feel like easy is too easy. So guys,
Go with them.
we have to wait for the intermission. So guys, we're gonna play. I'm gonna play this one since the medium one just not happening. Isn't happening. So yeah. Okay, I'm waiting for the. Oh. You know what? I'm just gonna leave. I'm going. Oh, intermission. I'm going in this one. So I'm here. Well, look at this guy. He has that nice face. Oh, and guys, for my next video, I'm gonna show you how to get free Robux. So yeah, if you wanna watch that, please subscribe, because I know a lot of people want Robux, but they don't have it. I'm so dead. Move, girl. You mad slow. Like, what is wrong with you?
He fell. Oh.
I'm God. I'm God, guys. Look at me. It's only 3 players. It's only us 3. I can't believe I made it.
One day.
Are you stupid? The thing says danger. Stay here, guys. Oh my God, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. Please get us out. Guys, we're dead. It says. Oh no, we're not. I thought we actually died. Guys, I thought we actually died. Oh. Escape. I'm stupid. Open the door. You stupid idiot. Open the door now. No. Why did you open the door? Why didn't you let me in? You stupid dummy. You should have let me in. You should have. You should have let me in. Why didn't you just let me in? I asked nicely. Super nicely. I asked you so nicely. And you still didn't let me in. I even begged you, please. I begged you. I actually begged you to let me in, and you don't let me in? What? Guys, I don't think I'm going to be able to play the easy mode, because the easy mode is too much. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to play the easy mode. I think I'm going to actually be able to just play the hard and the medium mode. Guys, there's only 1 player left. So I'm going to play one more thing. Sit down. So guys, I'm just waiting right now. Okay, guys. Okay, so there's 3 people in there to play. Intermission, yay, intermission. There's gonna be 4 people playing. It's a guy again. Yay, we're gonna play. Yay. We're playing, yay. I feel like I'm gonna win this round for some reason. Like, I'm gonna win. Where do I go? Like, what the hell? We're dead.
Who?
See, we're dead, guys? That's how you die. Okay. Thanks for watching my video of me playing Flood Escape. And if you want to watch my how to get free Robux video, please subscribe and like my video. And yeah, thanks for watching my video. Bye.